Hey y'all, happy Thursday. It is May 2nd. I hate to start the vlog off like this, looking like this, my room looking like this, but it is packing day. And tomorrow I officially move out of my sorority house. And yesterday I actually vlogged a lot of some packing montages. If you guys like that, check that vlog out. But today will be majority of the packing and getting a lot of stuff into my car. My mom's actually coming into town tonight, and my dad is too. I'm picking my mom up at 7:30 today, so I need to get so much shit done before then. Just edited a vlog, I'm finishing up some grad photos, and I'm really sad because I just said goodbye to one of my really good friends, Kaylin, and just everyone's like really emotional. Nicole came in my room crying this morning, and I wasn't feeling emotional at all until she did that, and I was like, okay, shit, you're making me teary-eyed. So then I cried a little. But it still isn't hitting me, like even seeing like Kaylin and Tiffany, my roommate, just graduated, like literally just now. They just came back and they were all in their little stoles, graduation caps, leis and stuff, and it still isn't hitting me, like seeing my friends graduate. It just doesn't feel like this is actually happening. So I need to get all my shit together, put it all in my car. I actually first need to clean out my car because there's a lot of stuff in there. So we need to do that first. Tiff is moving out. She's graduated.
I'm
she's
educated.
Yeah.
Got she's 1 degree hotter. Oh my god, I hate when you do that.
All her stuff.
Better leave Nali.
It's gonna be very depressing.
It's honestly kind of scary. It feels kind of scary, like when there's nothing on this side.
I know.
Like you're just in there by yourself.
I know. My mom's gonna sleep on that bed with my sleeping bag tonight.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, it already has this thing on it, but oh, how cute.
She's not picky. It's all good.
I'm honestly not either. Like, I never got a mattress topper or anything like that. But
I did. I love my mattress topper. I'm trying to sell it right now.
yeah, I know. I just this is the last time they'll see me. Maybe in a couple years. Maybe when I'm married and pregnant.
Wow. Well, mock recruitment. We're coming back.
Oh yeah, we're both. Oh, you're gonna try.
I have to.
Okay. We'll be back for mock recruitment, but that's probably the next time we'll see each other in August. That's honestly not that long.
It's not bad.
It's 2.5 months. It's really not that bad.
It's not horrible.
No.
We'll make it work. At 3 p.m. and I've been taking such a long break from packing because I'm just so bored and just I can't do it. But I need to get back into it. One of my friends is actually gonna be in the place that I'm going to be after college, so she's helping me ship some of my stuff to that city, and basically I have to give those boxes to another friend because she doesn't have any space for the boxes. So yeah, I need to get those boxes situated before 4 p.m. because my friend Maddie is coming to pick it up for me. And literally Maddie is the sweetest thing in the world. Like, she is just the nicest person ever. She like does anything for any sister, and I don't know. I praise her so much. She's literally an angel and always makes me feel like Satan, but I love her so much. And she was actually my coworker for ZUP too, so we got really close this year. So I actually started to pull a lot of clothes from my closet that I would think I would wear during the month of May, and I put it in the suitcase. And I think I'm just gonna put like literally all clothes in the suitcase. I need to pack like pajamas, workout wear, just like underwear and stuff like that. There was something else I was thinking of though that I need to put in it. And then I'm gonna probably pack like all my accessories and just like hair stuff and beauty stuff in one other suitcase. I know that like sounds really like extra of me, but I feel like that's just the easiest way this month of May will go. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I still have so much to sell that I didn't even think of. Like this rug, I don't think I can take it back because it's like so thick when you roll it up, and I don't think I can like fit it in my car. Like I might try, so we will see. But I just need to like start like actually finalizing boxes and closing them up and getting them into my car, and I feel like that will make me more motivated. I don't know. We'll see. Just realized it was pants. That's what I was trying to say but couldn't say for some reason. I have way too many freaking pants. Like, this isn't even all of them because that's just like my denim. Ugh, so much stuff. I don't know what to do with myself, but I like need it all. Like, you never know what you may need, and that's the hardest part about like living out of a suitcase, because I just want to bring everything just in case. I might need these black pair of pants, or I might need my flare black jeans, you know? You never know what looks better, so gotta bring them all. I'm excited to go home and see some friends. I'm going out for Cinco de Mayo with one of my friends and her boyfriend. I haven't met him yet, so that'll be super fun. We haven't like decided where we're gonna go yet, because like I'm so out of the loop. My friend Jill actually goes to Kennesaw, so she's still over there and she kind of like knows, you know, like the hype places to go. So I kind of told her like, oh, just like let me know where to go and then we can go wherever. I'm also really excited because I'm going to the beach when I get back. I'm so excited because we're going to Seaside, like Allie's beach area. My dad's beach house is in like Panama City Beach or Seaside. I don't really know. Like his address is like something funky and then like the signs say something else. So I don't really know, but just in that area, and it's just so gorgeous. Like Allie, I think it's Allie's beach or Alice beach, not really sure, but it's literally just like white houses everywhere, and I've just been craving going to the beach. I'm honestly really dark right now, so I don't need any more sun, but I just love swimming in the ocean and eating good seafood, and my hair is like literally insane. About to go pick up my mom, and I've made good progress, but I think I need like her help bringing some stuff down to my car. But I'm getting there, guys. Ugh, I'm just ready to be done with this and moved out. Like, I'm not trying to wish away the time, but this process is just not fun. So I'm here with my mommy. Hi. She came to UCF for orientation, then for moving me in freshman year, and then for parents weekend, but that was like all freshman year, so it's been like 3 years since she's come to UCF. And I'm taking her to Gringo's because it was a toss-up between Blaze and Gringo's, and then she told me that there's a Blaze like near her house in Georgia, so we're gonna go to Gringo's because I feel like I would hate myself if I didn't, you know, get this iconic taco for my last night. So, and tomorrow I'm heading up Fresh Kitchen before I leave. We got some guaco tacos, we got some empanadas, I've never tried this, and we got the famous double D's. And if you guys don't know about these are the hard taco, soft taco, and then in the middle of the two is queso. I don't know why it's not on that side, but pretty much you see it's like stuck right there. That's all queso, and it's so good. So we're about to dig in. Good morning, guys. Happy May 3rd, and I am officially a UCF graduate. I'm already wearing my alumni merch, but I'm gonna make graduation a separate vlog on its own. And now we're continuing to pack. We have just a couple more things, that final push, and then we're gonna leave back to Georgia, hopefully before, I don't even know what time it is. I don't know, hopefully before 1, but I also want Fresh Kitchen. So I feel like I should just like, you know, chill a little bit, enjoy my last moments in Orlando. But it's just so hard when you know you have like a 7 to 8 hour drive ahead of you. You just want to like go and get home already. So we'll see what happens. I still have like a lot to do. I just feel like every time I get like a box out of my room, I just notice something else that needs to go in my car, like this freaking lamp. Crazy. So it's a tradition here at the Kappa sorority house that whenever you are like done living in your room, that you sign the closet. So as you can see over here, you can see there's like a bunch of signatures. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly sign that before I forget, because I was so close to forgetting it and that would have been just sad. I'm sad. It's the last time I'll be seeing this. And it's the last time I'll be in my sorority house. Oh, I should probably check my mail.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, what's that? Is that me? I want to show you this thing.
Oh yeah. Wait, I want to see or is this only the seniors?
This is like the most current one. So I'm on the senior section up there next to Tiffany. You see?
Uh-huh.
Like, cause for two of them I was in the middle, like on the top row.
Uh-huh.
Cause I was
Let me
on
see
council.
the others.
I don't know where they are, but we'll find them. On the top row, middle,
Nice.
next to Tiffany.
Yeah.
I'm at the top of this one too. Straight hair vibe. It has come time to do what I have been dreading to do, but it is taking off my letters on my car. It's so sad. I know a lot of people like don't put letters on their car because they like think that they're gonna like get pulled over more, but like I don't know. I feel like I never was like that bad of a driver. So, I don't know. I like having letters on my car because it's fun. Like, might as well. You only can do it for 4 years. And then after that, once you're like an alum, I feel like it's kind of weird. So, we're going to peel them off because today I am a UCF alumna. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. I honestly don't even know how I'm going to do this because they look like they're like painted on. And my nails are so weak right now. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to come off very nicely. Alright, sorry to make that a little anticlimactic, but I'm gonna wait for like the right tools because I don't know what I'm gonna have to use. Maybe I'll ask Ryan to help get it off my car. I'm sad. It's the last time I'm on campus.
With your mom.
With my mom for a while. I mean, I may come back and visit for, you know, something, but I don't know when that will be, and I don't know how soon it will be. I'm honestly really excited to see the school in like about 2 years because all of the construction will probably be done by then. Obviously the school is always like building something new, which I think is really cool. Right now they're like building on the student union, and then they're building the hotel in front of the UCF's campus. What else are they building? Oh, the library. There's like a lot going on right now. It's gonna be so cool once it's done. I've seen pictures of it and I am honestly jealous of all y'all UCF students that get to use it. So this is the hotel that they're building. It's like right across Plaza and right across from like the Duke Welcome Center. It's like over there somewhere. Bye bye UCF. I'm gonna miss your beautiful palm trees. I'm gonna miss this so much. I'm gonna miss these blue skies. Always sunny. Like even if it's raining, it's always sunny, and I'm gonna miss these Pegasus symbols all over campus. Bye UCF. I started there and I'm ending here. Bye Marquee. That's the place I stayed my freshman and sophomore year. Bye Research Parkway. That's where I worked this past year. The last stop of UCF is Fresh Kitchen because I can't get that back home, so that's gonna be my last meal here. So this is my bowl. Last time here, and the steak was like really long, so they gave me a free bowl card. Like a lot of Aqua said I'm not coming back here, and they gave me this card.
You're coming back.
Yeah, but like I don't know if I'm gonna eat here when I come back, you know.
Now you will.
Yeah, I guess I have to. It, can you? Where are you going? What the hell? I'm reunited with Sophie. Sophie, come here. Sophie, hi. Ah. And her ball's like, she found her ball already. Already wants me to play. Just give me a break. So, got out of my car and I'm already feeling the allergies attacking me in Georgia. Not cool. Thought I missed you, Georgia, but if you're gonna treat me like this, I don't know if I did.